Ingenious construction workers that on another level. Dust off your tools, people, because today's trending machine is in the company of professionals prepared to meet some ingenious construction workers that are on another level. They have perfected the art of fast, satisfying work that leaves you with no excuse to put off that renovation any longer. Here comes the inspiration. But before we dive in, remember, you are our inspiration when you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Let's do this. Look at how perfectly this guy measures and matches bricks for a threshold without a single crack. Using a huge corrector for quick grouting was brilliant. Why bother with geometry and calculations when you could build your own elliptical cutting router? Working with hot bitumen up to 204 degrees Celsius every day is a piece of cake for a pro like this. Enjoy watching the greatest concrete pouring you've ever seen. I am in awe at the way this guy is able to make a perfect cut with a hammer and wrench. This is how resourceful workers transport bricks. I'm gonna look. This man is here to assure you that any carpet will fit perfectly. Bet you never knew removing grout from tile could be so easy until you saw this guy in action. Foreign. This worker's skills make removing asphalt look like a cakewalk. Enter a spatula and watch real marble appear in your house. Awesome. This dude needs to patent this ultra-fast house painting technique. Thank you. Check out this painter's clever method for saving time. Asphalt perfection coming to your street soon. Powerful work is always inspiring. Look at the confidence of the driver calmly moving that huge building like a pro. Impressive. Color work allows a talented bricklayer to create three-dimensional patterns from pavers. The smoothness of this team's work is mind-blowing. Unbelievable. This team creates one of the craziest staircases that descends and transforms the space into a pool. Please drop your rating from 1 to 10 in the comments for the velvet effect on the walls by this talented painter. Foreign. Immerse yourself in the world of construction where the seemingly crude can turn out to be truly mesmerizing. This guy was able to put his heart into construction while living out his circus dreams. Careful pros, micro-glass mosaic work will suddenly make you want to redecorate your bathroom. Thank you. Admire the masterful way this artist manipulates metal like origami. Some ingenious workers created a 3D crosswalk that tricks drivers into slowing down. Foreign. Don't forget to click the like button in appreciation of their genius. A 1 in a million talent, this master brilliantly fits laminate like no one else. This guy's ingenuity is worth more than a dozen strong men. 7 pros, a clean slate, and a 9-meter diameter pool comes to life. Observing the curvature of this plasterwork is pure delight. The synchronized work of this crew makes the world's most flawless zebra crossing. Foreign. Having mastered the laser technique to perfection, one worker can clean a building's facade 30 times faster than usual. This guy's barrel loading skills should qualify him for the Olympics. We've got the home insulation bus right here. You don't need fancy tools to finish. Just use the items at hand in a clever way. Cement delivery knows no bounds while maneuvering this beast all on his own. This guy is digging the tunnel to the future. No one can dismantle a building's supports as quickly as this virtuoso. Rest assured, you're looking at a true pro. For those who consider themselves electrical experts, you've got nothing on this woman's mastery. When it comes to painting walls, this guy knows how to do it without those annoying brush strokes. Witness the incredible teamwork it takes to create an intricate dome structure. Thank you. Foreign. You can't get flawless pavers without a perfectly prepared base like this. First, careful preparation done by this team makes assembling stairs as effortless as building with Lego. It's simply impossible to make window trim as high quality as this worker. Thank you. With the help of rails, this genius turned a wall into something astoundingly fantastic. Flawless scenes will keep you hooked for hours. Foreign. Even demolishing a roof looks incredibly cool. These workers' tie and Lang experience is second to none. I bet this lightning-fast brick paver will be done before our video is over. Thank you. A budget-friendly brick wall just sponges glue, cardboard, paint, and this incredible craftswoman. This builder's nimble hand allows him to plaster at awe-inspiring speed. Incredible! Foreign. Here's a super easy way to lay tiles perfectly that no one but this man has thought of. I'm speechless. This guy fixes stairs with liquid plastic just like icing on a cake. This guy has the artist's touch because he turns construction into pure art. Like the video if you want one of those sons too. Does anyone have a stopwatch? I think we're looking at a speed record here. Here's a clever trick for cutting the tile perfectly on the first shot. Being a tool pro means you don't need a partner because they would only slow you down. Foreign. The soundness of this work ensures that this design will last for decades. Watch how this experienced person meticulously applies plaster to turn a pool into a velvety oasis. With a sharp mind and a forklift, an otherwise difficult job becomes a breeze. Relax. Believe it or not, this stonework is just a brilliant imitation made from cement and expert brushing. Now, check out some high-speed sheathing of roof seams. I am amazed at the expertise of people who can create and assemble propellers for huge ships. Thank you. Don't blink or you might miss the coolest roofing technique ever, and this worker nails the finishing touch perfectly on the first try. Crushers are more synchronized than a Swiss watch. Foreign. The word impossible isn't even in this worker's vocabulary. To get the job done perfectly, this builder simply turns off gravity. Take a look from the point of view of professionals. Assembling a submarine is an absolute masterpiece. Thank you. Admittedly, seeing this level of craftsmanship has you thinking of your own dream home, doesn't it? Foreign. Check out this man's clever trick for perfectly hiding the edge of laminate on the transitions between rooms. Watching this guy will have you using discs in the most original way. It's amazing how these skilled craftsmen manually apply 1,100 kilograms of paint to transform a plane. Foreign. Even with a full workload, one pro was able to tackle his own backyard to create a huge pool. Watch a week's worth of work disappear in a snap. We know how hypnotizing this silicone application method is. Don't hesitate to hit that replay. Here is the master of floor restoration in action. Skice painting technique. This spiral staircase now has that missing magic. Foreign. Satisfaction at its finest. Behold the mesh magic of builders giving rise to the most original wall ever. Just wait and see how the fine workmanship of this bricklayer lives up to expectations. This team's flawless work is smoothness redefined. Foreign. Here's a question for the daredevils. Working with this fiery beauty, did you forge Thor's hammer? That's all for today, but there's definitely more where that came from. We're very curious, so let us know in the comments which of these genius workers would you like to trade places with for a day. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon.